guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing because I got my package today, which is the brake master cylinder that I ordered. Let me show you guys how it looks. Got this little box cutter right here. Bust it down easy to open. How much I got this for anyways? I got it really cheap. It was very they have a lot of those things inside of it. It was very cheap. And I have the return seal. Well, this is the receipt. Yeah, packing slip. So the description and everything. Yeah. So I have this. Let me put that down. Oh man, they put a lot of those things in there too. I guess they don't want it to get damaged or anything. Well, it's understandable. I don't want to order nothing and it get damaged. So they put it in a bunch of these wraps, shrink wrap. So then pull down the thing some more. You guys can see camera some more. Shrink wrap, more shrink wrap. And make sure they wrap it properly. So it is brand new. I bought it off eBay. It was like maybe about $45 or $46. Yes, I think taxes including. It's wrapped. So it's brand new, guys. Brand new. I love it. So this right here, if you have that problem with your thing keeps sinking in your brake every time when you step on the brake and it keeps sinking in, and all these parts comes with it too. This right here, I have another piece that comes like a metal piece. I don't even know what this metal piece is for. I don't know. These right here came inside it as well. Not gonna lose it, of course. The manual and everything here tells you everything. Hopefully I didn't drop nothing else. Hopefully nothing came out. I doubt it. I don't see nothing else. Yeah, so this is it right here. This is where you pour in your brake fluid. This is what basically go into the brake booster. You know, when you pop your hood, you see one for the brake is going to be mostly on the driver's side. So it's going to be on the right hand side. When you pop it, this is where the brake fluid go. This is the brake master cylinder. The lines, one line go here and another line go on the other side. It's connected. I think it's like a 10. Yeah, like a 10 millimeter wrench. Most likely it's like a flare nut wrench. You got to use like a special wrench because you don't want to strip. You really don't want to strip that thread or strip it out or whatever. So make sure you use the right tool to take it off and put it back on. And right here is the sensor where it's easy clip in. You just click it in right there and it's easy. Of course you got to do a certain procedure to you don't want no air to get into the system. So yeah, you don't want no air to get into the system. So this is it. Man, this is a short video. Yeah, so this is the brake master cylinder. When this go bad, and how you know when it goes bad is if one of your brake line is cut and you got a leaking brake line, you're gonna feel it. When you step on that brake, it's gonna be soft or mushy, or it'll go all the way in. Sometimes it don't go all the way in, but you're gonna feel it. It's gonna feel a different way than what you used to feeling. So if you check under your car and you look at your brake lines and you don't see your car don't leave no wet spot. Once your brake line is not cut, most likely it's this right here. It could be the seal The seal probably have a leak or something, or it's just service time internally, you know. It's just time for it to be changed. So nothing lasts forever, you know, but I got the part. I don't know if I'm gonna able to record it today or put it in today or even get to record it. This guy might help me out, so because I don't have no tools. I don't have no tools, guys. My friend have all the tools all the way in a different city. It's not that far, but I'm not gonna have no time to do it. I would love to do it, to make a video to show you guys, or if the guy do it for me, I'll just record it while he do it. But it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. It's an easy piece of cake. It's an easy procedure. It's better when it's two people, because you're gonna need somebody to step on the brake all the way down to let all that air escape out of the system. Or if you don't have nobody to help you, you're gonna need like maybe like a long pole or a stick to hold the brakes all the way in, because you don't want no air to be in the system. If air is in the system, you're basically not going to stop. It's going to go down as well. So it's a procedure. But if you ever have that problem that you step on the brake and it sinks all the way down too soft, because it's supposed to be hard. Once you step on the brake, it's supposed to be hard and stop the car. It's not supposed to sink all the way down to the floor. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. I got it. I bought it when I bought it on Monday. I bought it, and it actually came yesterday, but I didn't check the mail yesterday. I had to go to the post office to pick it up because, you know, you guys know my situation. Still haven't found an apartment yet, so you're staying in a hotel. So at the moment, yeah. So I had to go to the post office, and it was already there. The guy gave it to me. I give him my ID. I write down the number, the tracking number, and I give it to him. He looked it up in the computer. He went and got it. Boom, got it. Easy and simple. But yeah, this is your brake master cylinder. Some cars it's easy. Some cars you got to do more stuff just to get to it. But majority of the vehicle is easy to get to. It's not a big deal. So it's a 10 millimeter to get it off, but it's good to use the right tool. I think it's a flare nut wrench. A flare nut wrench will get it off properly, get off the two lines, one line here, one line over there. And I don't know what size it is that's bolted on for the old one. Some different vehicles, different size, I don't know. I was watching a video, somebody was saying like a 12, but it doesn't matter. Once you have the tool to get it off, you just switch your tools and get that bolt off, so you could just pull this whole thing out. But it's easy. It's easy to do. It might be hard to see because due to the position that it's in, if I try to record it. But other than that, it's a piece of cake. And I do need to get some new that .3 brake fluid. I'm gonna need brake fluid because I can't use back the old. I wouldn't do that because the old brake fluid probably contaminated. You know, that's probably what ruined the system anyways, or the seals is just messed up internally. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get me some brake fluid, or you could go to your normal auto store to get your brake fluid, and when you're ready to do your procedure, you'll be good. So that's about it, you know. Yeah, but this is it. This is the brake master cylinder, brand new guys, not used, not refurbished, brand new brake master cylinder. So I'm happy that I got it in the mail. I will be I'm gonna try my best to make a video, do a video on it. Hopefully I get a chance to do it. I do not know if I do it myself. I don't know if I'm gonna able to record it because it's gonna be hard to try to take off and try to hold the camera and try to record at the same time. It's going to be hard. So I'll see. Once I get somebody involved to help your boy out, I'll probably record it. But other than that, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's the Breakmaster cylinder, guys. Brand new. Straight from eBay. Brand new. So yeah, guys, peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and till I upload another video, I'm out, for real, peace.